In this Viva episode of Electrical Engineering, we discuss about important Viva questions and their answers related with electrical safety precaution. So hi friends, welcome to the technical tutorial Ashutosh Architecture with your host SVZ Nath. If you are the new visitor, then subscribe the channel with click on all option of the bell icon and press the like button cause this video is only for you. Question number 1. What is electrical safety precaution? While working with electricity, some precautions should be taken to save from electric shock or electric current, which are treated as electrical safety precaution. Question number 2. How many types of electrical safety precaution? There are 7 types of electrical safety precaution. Those are general safety, workshop safety, overhead line safety, ladder safety, blown fuse safety, fire safety and battery charging safety. Question number 3. What is general safety? The safety precaution which are always accepted is treated as general safety. Question number 4. What are the general safety? Use rubber gloves, rubber shoe, always be careful and smart are the general safety. Question number 5. What is workshop safety? The safety precaution which are obeyed in workshop is treated as workshop safety. Question number 6. What are the workshop safety? Avoid slippery surface, connect proper earthing and do not smoke are the workshop safety. Question number 7. What is overhead line safety? The safety precaution which are followed while working with overhead electrical line is called overhead line safety. Question number 8. What are the overhead line safety? Use safety belt, insulated tools and danger signboard men at work are the overhead line safety. Question number 9. What is ladder safety? The safety precaution that must be done during working on ladder is known as ladder safety. Question number 10. What are the ladder safety? The ladder should be of proper height and held by another person are the ladder safety. For valuable knowledge, you can like this video and subscribe the technical tutorial Ashutosh Architecture with click on all option of the bell icon. Question number 11. What is blown fuse safety? The safety precaution which are observed during the replacement of blown fuse is treated as blown fuse safety. Question number 12. What are the blown fuse safety? Of the main switch, use proper size of fuse wire are the blown fuse safety. Question number 13. What is fire safety? The safety precaution which are considered to extinguish fire is considered as fire safety. Question number 14. What are the fire safety? Use dry powder, sand, carbon dioxide fire extinguisher and carbon tetrachloride fire extinguisher or fire safety. Question number 15. What is battery charging safety? The safety precaution which are followed in battery charging room is treated as battery charging safety. Question number 16. What are the battery charging safety? Avoid naked flame. Battery charging room should be well lighted and well ventilated are the battery charging safety. Question number 17. How battery connected with source of supply? During charging, the positive and negative terminal of source of supply are connected with the positive and negative terminal of battery. Hence, in this way, battery is connected with source of supply. Question number 18. Which source of supply is connected with battery? Direct current source of supply is connected with battery. Question number 19. How electrolyte prepare in battery charging room? In battery charging room, acid is added with water while preparing electrolyte. Okay friends, times to wind up this electrical engineering Viva questions about electrical safety precaution. For more video, you can click on iCards and also watch these end screen videos. Till then, subscribe, like and share Ashutosh Architecture. And don't forget to click the all option of the bell icon for valuable videos. Thank you.